So on today's episode of Let's Test Our Marriage, we are going to add a little color to our fireplace area. And so we're going to do that with some wallpaper accent. And so it seems like a straightforward project, but we'll see. So what we want to do is get rid of all this gray, because you go from gray and then over to gray, and then it's more gray up here. So we're going to put this wallpaper up in that area. So the first step was to take the glass off the fireplace, and then we took the covers off of the stereo. The plan is we're going to cut the sheets and then figure out where we need to cut out around that shelf and the speakers, and then we'll start laying it from left to right. So what we've decided to do is, rather than put a whole big sheet, because there's so many cutouts in this, and this is a plank pattern, we're cutting the planks, and then we're going to lay a plank in, cut around what we need to cut, and then put the next plank in, cut around what we need to cut. It'll be the same effect, but it'll save us from doing huge cuts. At least that's the idea. Okay, we broke up the gray, put a splash of color in there, and we're still married. The big challenge was you can't really go left to right, so we had to go top to bottom. We took all the covers off and just getting precise cuts. But all in all, it looks pretty darn good. We'll take it. So we are in Wamego, Kansas.
Yes, we are.
And what's in Wamego, Kansas?
You might ask? The Wizard of Oz Museum.
And pretty much nothing else.
It's okay. There's a water
It's
park.
a cool little town. Yeah, they got a water park.
Yeah.
The RV park that we're staying in is nice.
It's got 7 spots.
One night. But we're actually standing on the yellow brick road.
We are.
And we just came out of the Oz Museum.
Yes.
Where, what'd they say, 200,000 artifacts?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. It was a ton. I'll have to Google it and I'll put it in. Yeah, they had everything there, from puppets to costumes that were...
Cups and shoes and...
Lots of history.
Yeah.
About the Wizard of Oz.
Letters that the directors and actors had sent.
Yeah. So here in the town of Wamego, they have 18 of these Totos, and they're all painted different with the artist's name and whatnot. We represent the Lollipop Guild, the Lollipop Guild. It's a big tree. So it appears that the town of Wamego has pretty much just embraced this whole Wizard of Oz thing.
Oh, well, yes. Why
Because
would you not?
the theme of this town is there's no place like home.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home. That's why we're going home.
So Anyway, that's our visit to Wamego. Oh, there's another Toto. I think I already got told.